After experiencing tremendous growth in the last decade, China has become one of the most important economies in the world. Consequently, its population has become increasingly wealthy, but especially noteworthy is that the number of ultra-high net worth individuals has more than doubled within the last decade. For this reason, it is relevant to consider where this new wealth is invested. Since the financial crisis, global hedge fund returns have been disappointing, especially European and Asian funds have shown low to negative returns, causing family offices to abandon hedge funds. So in a recent article in Bloomberg, we read that the ultra-high net worth families are actually abandoning hedge funds and investing more into private equity. Do you see this trend as well? Did you recognize this trend?
Where is it happening? Is it happening
in Asia? Yeah.
In Asia?
Yeah, in Asia, compared to Europe or Americas.
Well, I think it's like a periodical phenomenon. You know, in the recent few years after the financial crisis, the stock market hasn't been performing well, and also other like the major investment targets of hedge funds haven't been performing too well. So I guess that could be the reason the money flow from less profitable to more profitable.
In fact, the share of alternative assets in Asian family offices has increased to a staggering 44%, while hedge fund allocation has decreased to only 5%.
So exactly, because the article also said that in Asia the portion that the families really still want to grow their wealth is higher than compared to Europe and Americas, where it's much more focused on wealth preservation. Yeah. So that could be a reason for this as well.
Yeah, that could be a reason, because I saw this similar analysis, a similar study looking at the comparison between U.S. and European high net worth individuals to the Asian high net worth individuals. They found that the Asian part of investors are more interested in the high return, high risk.
Okay.
So that could explain why they invest more in this private equity, because private equity generally considered a higher return, higher risk.
So would you see that from private equity specifically would also be investing in startups and fintech companies? Is this an area where the Asian ultra high net worth are very interested in?
Well, that representing a new trend of new development of technology. I think that if I'm out of high net worth individual, I would certainly allocate some part of my money in investing in something which is present a promise futures in, right? Yeah. That high tech definitely is one of the one of the investment area they should look at.
Since the high-tech and fintech startup industry is fueled by recent government policies, it has become an exceptionally attractive sector for family offices to invest in. The shift from hedge funds to venture capital has laid the groundwork for a sector that promises sustainable growth for China in the future.